Listen and circle. 1.
Hi, Kate. Hi, Tom. How was your weekend? It was good, thanks. I was at the theatre on Saturday night with my family. Weren't you there a week ago too? Yes, I was. But we love going to the theatre.
2.
How about you, Mandy? It was a bit boring. I was at the market with my dad on Saturday.
3.
How was your weekend, Tom? It wasn't very exciting. On Saturday, I was at the clothes shop with my granddad, looking for new school trousers. But there weren't any in the shop.
Okay, so here you have 3 conversations, 1, 2, and 3, and you have to mark A or B, A or B. En cada conversación tenés que marcar la opción A o la opción B. Si no estás seguro, escucha de nuevo, mira de nuevo este video. Lo vas a chequear en clase con tu profesora.